Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Inside the Box. Today I'm going to be opening a Thredup mystery box. This is a Thredup shoe box, and on my channel I like to talk about ways you can make money with the skills and tools you already have. And one of those ways I make money is by reselling items on eBay. So I've been having kind of a hard time sourcing at thrift stores lately. I've got a lot going on and I don't have the time to go to them or to garage sales, which has kind of been a bummer because I've been really hoping to get some good garage sales this summer. But I've also still been learning about brand names and what sells well. And I feel like getting these Thredup mystery boxes helps me discover new brand names, and it also saves me time. I'm able to do the things at home that I need to. I don't have to take a couple hours to thrift. It just shows up at my doorstep, and it's kind of fun to open and show you guys too. So I have another startup video as well. I opened a boys mystery clothes box, and I'll link that in the cards above. But this is their shoe box. So I spent $39.99 on this. That includes shipping. I think it was $34 without the shipping. There should be 5 pairs of shoes in here, and so that's roughly $8 a shoe. So $39.99 for this box of 5 shoes. They should all be size 7. I picked that size because if I'm not able to sell them, I can wear them. But hopefully I can sell them. And I want to know from you guys, if you've had experience selling shoes, what sizes do the best for you? Because I didn't know which size to pick on Thredup. I thought, okay, I'll try 7 in case they don't sell. I can wear them, but maybe there's a better size that has a better potential of selling. Okay, I'm really excited to open this, so we're just gonna jump into it. Okay, it arrived. It looks like the box is a little dented. I don't know if you can see this on my camera right now, and then the tape's starting to come off. But other than that, it's in okay condition. Just the front's kind of torn a little bit. My other startup box that I opened was in good condition as well, and that was great. It was great to see things arrive in good condition. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just open this. I have to sit up here a little bit. Okay, so right away I can see the Thredup tissue paper. I hope you guys can see that on the camera. So there should be 5 pairs in here. We'll see what I get, and I will put the comps of what I think I can make on the screen as we go along here. Okay, so I have the invoice here. The invoice saying that I bought size 7. The shoes were $34, but I paid extra for shipping, so it was $39.99. Okay, first pair, I see some boots here. These are super cute. Kind of hope some of these things don't sell. Okay, let's see. I gotta move this box out of the way. Let's just put that over there. Okay. They zip. Looks like the zipper works. They have a wooden heel. Grown Vintage is the brand name. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. So I don't know anything about Grown Vintage, but if I find some comps, I'll put them up. And let me know if you've sold any of these brands before and if you've had any success. Okay, I'll just set these over here. Okay, so that was 1 pair. Should be 4 more in here. Ooh. Okay, these are international concepts, but I can see that there is some scuff marks here. It's kind of in a bad shape, I guess, on the heel here. I don't know if I can get that to come out. Do any of you have any tips? Let's see. Yeah, so that's kind of a bummer. I don't know anything about the brand name. Okay, so there are the international concepts. These are cute. Okay, these are some Sperry shoes. Sperry Topsider. There's kind of the brand name a little bit everywhere. I hope you guys can see that okay. It even says Sperry on the buckle. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 4, for some sandals here. Really pretty. Okay. Not Rated. That is the brand Not Rated. This bottom looks like that. Another brand I have no clue what it is. This one has stickers on the bottom. Some of these shoes are going to need some elbow grease and some work. Let me know if you have any tips. Okay, last pair. I'm going to call these the Thredup shoes because the color matches the Thredup color on the box. Okay, so these are some flats here. FFC New York. I was kind of hoping to win. I opened these and have things to say to you guys, but I'm still learning about shoes and I've never heard of this brand at all before. I've never heard of any of these. So I don't know if I have anything good here or if this is just a flop. I mean, it could be a flip or a flop. Flip flop, get it? They're shoes? Okay. I will put numbers here about what I think I might be able to make with this Thredup box. Hopefully I can make my money back. I don't know. I don't know if I can, but it was a lot of fun to open and I really enjoyed the last box I did. So again, check that video out. I did an opening of it and then I also shared when some of the items sold. So I have 2 different videos about that box and I will do the same thing. If I sell these items, I will let you know in later videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you are aware of when those videos come out. And if you guys are interested in purchasing a Thredup Rescue Box, which is what I opened today, I will leave my link to Thredup in the description box below so you guys can go check that out. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in my next video.